Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahura Firdaus. I am from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Today our topic is lichen. Lichens are composite organisms, मतलब ये दो organisms से मिलके बने होते हैं. Both lead to symbiotic life. These organisms are algae and fungi. Theophrastus was the first to use the word lichen. The lichens are slow-growing, long-living organisms occurring in wide variety of places, ranging from seashore to Arctic and Antarctic region of the earth. Lichens are plants in which algal and fungal members are living symbiotically. Algal members are known as phycobionts and fungal members are known as mycobionts. If we want to explain lichens in only one sentence, so we can say that lichens are symbiotic association of algae and fungi. सिम्बायोसिस का मतलब होता है कि इंटरेक्शन और एसोसिएशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स वेयर बोथ पार्टनर्स आर म्यूचुअली बेनिफिटेड means both partners do not harm any other partner in lichen. Fungus protect algae from unfavorable conditions like drought conditions. Algae in turn supplies organic food to fungus. This type of symbiosis is called as heliotism, means master and slave relationship. Fungal components is prominent in lichen than algal components. Algal component belong to chlorophyceae मतलब green algae और cyanobacteria यानी blue green algae. Fungal component belong to ascomycetes and rarely basidiomycetes or deuteromycetes. The lichens are distributed in wide variety of habitats. They grow on tree trunks, decaying logs and on soil. अगर lichen tree barks पर grow होंगे तो उसे कहते हैं corticolous. When lichens grow on leaves, they are called as follicolous. Lichens अगर soil surface पर grow होते हैं तो उसे कहते हैं terricolous. And when they are grow on stones, then lichens are called as saxicolous. Found in extreme climatic conditions such as dry exposed rocks and also at snow covered Arctic and Antarctic poles. Lichens are also called as indicators of pollution. They are sensitive to air pollution and generally do not grow near the cities. Lichens do not grow near smoky polluted industrial areas. They are thalloid and the thallus is greenish or bluish in color. Why they are thalloid? Because they do not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. That's why they are included in thallophytes. Lichens are highly pigmented and have various colors जैसे green, bluish, yellow, orange, reddish. कुछ lichens white कलर के भी होते हैं. In India, lichen found in Himalayas and higher hills of South India. अब देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ लाइकेन. On the basis of fungal component, the lichens are divided in three categories. This classification was given by Alexopoulos and Mims in 1979, which includes ascolichens, basidiolichens, and deuterolichens. So, first one is ascolichens, in which fungal partner belongs to Ascomycotina. Reproduction similar to Ascomycotina, they produce ascus and ascospores. Majority of lichens are ascolichens. Second one is basidiolichens, in which mycobionts belongs to the Basidiomycotina. They produce basidia and basidiospores. During reproduction, only few lichens belongs to basidiolichens. The third one is deuterolichens, in which fungal components belong to Deuteromycotina. They lack sexual reproduction. These are sterile lichens, मतलब ये spore produce नहीं करते. On the basis of external forms जैसे thallus organization, lichens are divided into these three major groups. First one is crustose lichen, second one is foliose lichen, and third one is fruticose lichen. Let's see one by one. So first group is crustose lichen. They have thin flat thallus closely attached to the substratum as crust on the barks or rocks. Thallus may be partially or completely embedded in the substratum. Crustose lichen form a crust that strongly adhere to the substrate, making separation from the substrate impossible without destruction. The very common examples of crustose lichens are Graphis, Lesidia, Licanora, Hematonyma, etc. The second type of lichen is foliose lichen. Foliose lichens have flat dorsiventral leaf-like lobed thallus. Foliose lichen को leafy lichen भी कहते हैं. They look like a thallus of liverworts. Liverworts क्या है? Bryophyte है. Foliose lichen are attached to substratum by rhizoid-like structures जिसे रेजिन्स कहते हैं. द कॉमन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फोलियोज लाइकेंस आर पार्मेलिया कोलेमा पेल्टिजेरा. द थर्ड लाइकेन इज फ्रूटिकोज लाइकेंस. फ्रूटिकोज लाइकेंस जो है वो वेल डेवलप्ड होते हैं. दे आर हैविंग श्रब लाइक सिलेंड्रिकल एंड ब्रांच्ड थैलस. दे ग्रो ऑन दे ग्रो और हैंग फ्रॉम द सबस्ट्रेटम. प्लांट जो है वो अटैच्ड होता है सबस्ट्रेटम से with the help of mucilaginous disc. The very common example of fruticose lichen are Cladonia, Usnea, Electoria, etc. The lichens are generally reproduced by vegetative method, asexual method and sexual method. So students, this is the end of today's lecture. Thank you for